InfoR, HSBC, Wisdom Leap. So this 4 product-based company which I have seen, I have faced this question, like input is like this one, like S1 is equal to Java, S2 is equal to bytes, and we have output. All we need to make, like we need to swap the strings, like S1 value having Java and S2 having bytes. So there want S1 should be bytes and S2 is equal to Java. Like we have two strings, you can see Java and bytes. So what we will do first thing is, like we will merge this string, like we will append this string. So same way I'm doing here. So before that, we need to know about replace function, how we can achieve this by using replace function. So here I have a string called my str hello. So what I am doing, I am using calling the replace function. So what replace function will replace? Like you want to replace H with O, you can replace. You can do anything. What I am doing here, like by using replace function, L is there, I am replacing L with P. If you run this program, you will see like L will be replaced with P. You can see FPPO. So similarly, like I want to replace H with like J. H is there, so I want to replace with J. So just run this. You can see JE double. So in our case, what we have to do, we have to these two tree strings. So I will do what I will do, I will merge these strings. Like what we say, I will append this string. S1 is equal to S2 plus S1. If I append this thing, just listen carefully what will happen. Now, if you see the value of S1 is bytes Java. Bytes Java. So first thing is, like in S2, what we want in S2, like what output you want in S2, we want Java, right? So we will do simple thing. We will do what we will do. We will use replace function here. S1 dot replace, right? What we are doing here, replacing. We are replacing S2 with double quotes. So to understand this one, approach is very simple. What we have value in S2, we have value bytes, right? We have value bytes. So in S2, what we are doing, fine. Here, what we are doing, we are replacing. So we need to use S2. So we are replacing S2 with double quotes. So S2 value is bytes. So we are replacing bytes with double quotes Java. Like for example, we are replacing like this. We are doing replace. We are replacing. So finally, what S2 contain Java, and we also want this one to be Java. So now we got one resident Java. Here contain Java. Now another thing, like in S1, what we want? In S1, we want bytes. Replace. We will do same thing, double quotes. Now what happens? Like if you want to check this one, previously what value we have in S1? S1 we have same value. We are having same value in S1, bytes Java. What we are doing, we are calling replace method, and we are doing replace method S2, right? S2 is place. So but what is the value? So if you see, like S1 we have Java bytes, and what is the value present in S2? So previously what we have done modification. So what will be the value? It will be Java, right? So what we are doing here, we are replacing S2 with space. So what final value will be? S1 will have, S1 is equal to, what final value S1 should be have? We are replacing S1 dot, we are replacing S2, right? What S2 contains? Java, right? Java. So we are replacing bytes, double quotes. That's all. What is the value present in here? Bytes. Here is Java. Simple. So what we will do here? We will print finally S1 S2. No, right. Bytes Java. Simple approach is there. Just you need to think like first what we are doing. We are appending the string bytes plus Java. Then S2 we have bytes. So we are replacing these bytes with double quotes. Now it will be Java, right? Second time also we now it will be Java. Okay. Rolex here. First time bytes is there. Now we are replacing bytes with double quotes. Now it will be Java. We got the Java. Same way here we are doing S1 is equal to Java, but the bytes is there. S2 is Java. We are replacing Java with space. That what S1 is present bytes. That's all. So it is an easy way. Just we need to think like how we can do replacement function. So just share to your colleagues, friends. Thanks for watching.